It's been almost a year now since Bugatti took the wraps off the Chiron Sport at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. And it's taken this long to put it into production. But at long last, customer examples have begun to leave the factory in Molsheim and arrive in the hands of their eagerly awaiting buyers, and this looks to be the first of them. Stopping still a little short of a full super sport version like the previous Chiron and WOWWThe received, the new Bugatti Chiron Sport is geared ever so slightly more towards handling than the standard model. The engine remains the same, but it didn't need any help. The 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 produces 1,479 horsepower and 1,180 pounds-to-foot of torque, channeled to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Only in the Chiron Sport, it's unburdened by 40 pounds of excess weight that's been trimmed out. The suspension, steering, and adaptive aerodynamics have also been retuned to give the hypercar a more aggressive handling profile. All this at a $400,000 premium, enough to buy a new Lamborghini Aventador or Ferrari 812 Superfast, but unlikely to deter customers already shelling out nearly $3 million on a new Bugatti. This is the only example we've seen since the red and black show car, and it's numbered as the first of 500 to be made. It's done up in a rather bright shade of blue, offset by what looks like bare lacquered black carbon fiber bodywork around back. Inside, the same shade continues with what looks like matte gold trim. The combination wouldn't be our first choice, but it is apparently the taste of one Abdullah bin Fahad, the assuredly wealthy customer in Qatar who ordered it, and had his initials emblazoned on the door sills.